case, I'm going to try to do some lightsaber reviews, but it's hard to get the color just quite right. So this actually is an Aeon version 4, so you can tell by the slits right here. I did this in the Aeon Silver. Currently this is the custom color my daughter picked out, so it's kind of like it's a combination of some of the light purple, the blue, and the red, so it has kind of like a purplish red color to it. Now of course the nice thing about this is as you take these things out, I'll use that. You can tell that you occasionally get a piece stuck in the blade plug. Of course I just remove those. And the nice thing of course being is that, as you can tell, you can just add other colors to it. And then you might get a color that looks better, might look worse. This actually is more like a rose pink. Discs are pretty easy to put in and out. So that's just used a beam of white. Yeah, so in there I actually had the rose, a purple, and a reddish color. Nice thing, of course, is that right now I just got it, so it's just the plain white. Put a disc in, so that is the purple. And then there's the rose color. And you actually can add multiple colors at the same time if you want to have a slightly different look at all. So right there, this actually is 4 different discs to get this color, which actually makes it kind of nice. The nice thing, of course, is that you can do all the different variations. The colors actually are quite subtle. I compared the blue on this to one of my other lightsabers, and you can tell a very big difference. So it kind of makes sense. Your options of being if you want to have more variation in color or a stronger color. And of course, I like the Aeon. You can't really tell, but check more of it. As you can tell, it's got a much longer handle. There's more of a hand and a half. If it looks weird when I'm showing this, because I actually have my a Yari bike extension added to it, so this is almost more like probably something like you do on horseback, since the overall length of it from top of blade to bottom is about 3 feet. Where normally this is about an 18-inch section. It's nice, feels good. You have 2 choke points. You have the one up here, just a little past where the emitter is. You have your button right here to turn off and on, which is nice. Of course, you have your secondary choke point just below where the button is. You can kind of see where my hand is at because there's no reflection. So there's that one. It's nice. I like it. Then I have the one that my daughter actually picked. I might actually do a second video since that actually is a jet black lightsaber handle. But I'll see how well since of course as the purple, this is the violet, I put in a different blade plug so it sticks out more. So I will do another video on this one, which is the Apprentice. But I want to give you an idea of here's what the purple looks like for this, which is a single disc. Again, I just have the unique blade plug in it. But the violet purple versus what I was able to do with the Aeon. So as you can tell, if you put some time into it, you can get a much more unique color from the Aeon, but it doesn't end up being anywhere near as bright or as vibrant as you get from a single color.